नेशनल कोऑर्डिनेटर विपनेट क्लब विज्ञान प्रसार। जैसे रोशनी होती है दीप से, जैसे रोशनी होती है दीप से, वैसा सभी में जोश भर दे। पावन किया इस सभा को आपने, आइए दीप जलाकर इसे आगाज कर दे। आई इनवाइट ऑल द गेस्ट टू लाइटन द लैम्प एंड स्टार्ट दिस मिरेकुलस इवेंट। Now I invite Dr. Suresh Kumar, Professor and Admin Head, Jensen Institute of Technology. Please, sir, come for welcome address. Welcome address. इसके बाद
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Very good morning to all. I take immense pleasure and honor in welcoming you all for this two-day national workshop on annular solar eclipse ASC 2019. At this outset, I would like to welcome Dr. S. Kannappan, Directorate of Matriculation Schools, Government of Tamil Nadu. We welcome you, sir, for this inaugural function. And the ever charming Dr. Aravind C. Ranade ji, scientist here from Vigyan Prasar. This is actually your function, sir, but I take privilege in welcoming you for Jansen's Institute of Technology. He's a wonderful, wonderful person, and personally thank him also for choosing our institute to host this national workshop. We welcome you once again, sir. And I take immense pleasure in welcoming the chief guests on the dais, Deepak Joshi ji, again Deepak Joshi ji, we met last year, and actually this year, at the start of this 2019 in VBM State Camp. He was a wonderful person. He enlightened the students, both the school students as well as our college students. So we welcome you, sir, for this campus again. And I welcome Ms. Mayuri Dutt, National Convener, Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, for this workshop. And I welcome Shri Mani sir. He is the National Best Teacher Awardee. Happy to invite a teacher for this workshop. And on behalf of Jansen's Institute of Technology, I render my welcome to all the VIPNet clubs across India. Big round of applause to you people, because you are making this show to happen. All the VIPNet club members, all the BVM coordinators from across India, and a special welcome to JVP from Pune. They are wonderful. They visited the campus yesterday itself. and they are working very hard. So I render my welcome to all the JVP members. I also welcome the Chief Educational Officer and Office Bearers from Coimbatore district, and all the friends, well-wishers for this program, and last but not the least, the faculty, staff members and student coordinators of Jansen's Institute of Technology for this workshop. Thank you.
So to welcome, I request Mr. Gopalji, Organizing Secretary, Aribiyal Sangam, to present a token of appreciation to Sri Kannappan, Director Education, Government of Tamil Nadu. Now I request Mr. Suresh to present the appreciation to Mr. Arvind, to Dr. Arvind.
Wow.
Now I would request Mr. Amit Kumar Sharma from Delhi to welcome Mary Ma'am. Now I would request Mr. Shashi Kumar to welcome Joshi ji. Now I would request Dr. Arvind, sir, please welcome Mr. K.S. Mani. Sir, I would request to present a memento to Suresh ji also. Dr. Arvind Sijani. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to invite you, sir, Dr. Arvind Sijani, to discuss the detail of the program with us. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Harpreet. Good morning to all. Today is really a special day for all of us. The chief guest of the function, Dr. Kannappan, Director at the Directorate of Education, Government of Tamil Nadu. We have Mr. Mani, who is the President of Udmal Pet Environment Society. Deepak Joshi ji, who is representing our knowledge partner of this particular program, Jyotirvidya Parisanstha from Pune. I would say a versatile personality, and you must have been, in fact, some of you must be, because those who are part of our Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, who knows, especially those people know Joshi ji in a different role, but today all of them will find that Joshi ji is another role as a knowledge partner in terms of an astronomy. A great contribution by Jyotirvidya Parisanstha, which is one of the oldest organization for the amateur astronomy in India. So I welcome Joshi ji also. We have Miss Mayuri Datta. She is a national co-convener of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, and of course my co-organizer with this two-day national camp on the annular solar eclipse, Shri Suresh ji, who is the professor and administrative head of Johnson Institute. It's a really great occasion for me to be part and parcel of this particular two-day event. As Suresh ji mentioned, this is the second time we are visiting the Johnson Institute. I think it is very important for me to mention a person. Again, I have seen him. I am rather witnessing a person who is growing in every facet, in a different capacity, is nothing but the Mr. Kannabiran. May I have a Kannabiran here? Kannabiran, why I am saying so? Kannabiran is first of all a very active club member of Vigyan Prasad Network of Science Club, and he is the silver club member or gold club member of Vigyan Prasad. He is a state coordinator of Tamil Nadu for Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. He is the host and the organizer of this event, and he has been a very active and passionate teacher. And let me tell you, he is a primary teacher, but having a great kind of a leadership. I have seen him growing in the last 4 to 5 years' time, since he has joined the Network of Science Club. And today you must have realized, bringing all of us, and bringing all the organizers in one place is really a great job. I really admire his qualities, his capacity to really lead the team from Tamil Nadu. He has got a wonderful team working here, more than 15 members, and he runs around throughout the year. One of the best part of him is so humble. He always tries to make the person as much accommodative and as much possible to make him happy. Of course, beyond certain limit he can't. That's possible as a human being, it always happens. But I really feel Kannabiran is really a backbone of not only now becoming for Vigyan Prasad, but also for Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan. We have Gopalji also. He is representing Arivyal Sangam. He is a Karyakarta of Arivyal Sangam and also a co-host of this particular program. His members will also be joining sometime in the afternoon. I just would like to mention everybody in the same platform. You must have heard from Harpreet and maybe somewhere by your own members that this is the first time what we have done. We have joined 2 different programs in one place and 2 different activities. One is the Vigyan Prasad Network of Science Club. Everyone representing here has been part of this 2-day program based on their capacity, based on their caliber, based on their work, hard work that they have been doing throughout the year. So every member coming from the Vigyan Prasad Network are minimum holder of a bronze club category and maximum to the platinum. I know Kavita is here representing SDMC, and I don't know whether Rajesh Mishra is there or not. No, Rajesh Mishra is not there perhaps. He is the another platinum club member, and I know most of you know that you are part of our very, very active Network of Science Club. And for the Vignet Club members, I would like to say, you must have heard of another initiative of a Vigyan Prasad, which we have joined, or rather organizing in association with NCERT under the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, and a nationwide science movement named as a Vigyana Bharati. who has been passionate for communicating the Indian science, the contribution of Indian science. And as I said, Mr. Deepak Joshi ji, he has actually nurtured, he has actually taught us how to make this Digital India's scheme of taking this kind of a national science talent search examination with the help of technology. And he, along with his team members from Namway company, we have wonderful team, and in today's present context, we have really this year made a remarkable success. Almost 90% of our students have successfully given the examination, and he is just a representative of that. So thank you so much, Deepak ji, for bringing our confidence back to the place. And we are now very sure that we will really go ahead in the Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan at the large scale. And the whole purpose of bringing VIPNET and VBM at the one platform is, let all our VIPNET people should understand VBM is one of the another important program wherein you can contribute, where you can come forward and help us in taking the Indian science, making the Indian science affectionate, lovely for our children, young generation who is going to learn about the contribution of India right from the ancient to the modern. Again, from Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, we have a wonderful team led by Miss Mayuri Dutt. Why I'm saying lead by her? Because this year I really played a very minimal role in this Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, and that's where I always said, perhaps because I was not part of the VVM this year, this has got a great success. So it is Mayuri ji, who is a national co-convener. We have got the academic head, Dr. Brajesh Pandey, who just please introduce yourself. Namaskar to kar do. He is our academic head. Just passed a week before and heart attack. He has done angioplasty, right? And still he is with us. Within I think not more than a week. That is what is the people are associated with it. He said he got the permission from the doctor, and doctor said, okay, no problem, you go. And that's why he has dared. We have got the controller of examination of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, Dr. Ajay Mahajan. I think he has not yet joined. So he is also there. We have got the core team members. I could see Venkatji from Indore. He is Dr. Venkat Raman from Indore. He is our core team member. Ensuring that whatsoever the objective that we are trying to make, those objectives are going to meet. And I see a lot of state coordinators from our Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, right from Jammu Kashmir to Tamil Nadu, everywhere we are able to see that. So basically we just wanted to bring everyone together. Let's have a more and more interaction. And of course, we always need an occasion, event to bring everyone together. And such kind of events are actually a festival for us. So I also take this opportunity that in addition to the astronomical festival, today is Christmas, very auspicious day for all of us. So I wish you a Merry Christmas, a wonderful day which is going to be memorable for all of us. On this festival day, we have 2-day event as an annular solar eclipse. As by and large, we will come to know the importance, how history has made us realize this kind of events have played a significant role in discovering, in bringing out a lot of unanswered questions in the history of human being. And I'm sure Jyotirvigya Parisanstha, there is Aniruddha Deshpande, we have got a Suhas Gurjar and the whole team of Jyotirvigya Parisanstha who has brought telescopes. They have given you the kit in which all the required, I would say, the knowledge, based kind of an kit is been provided to all of you. Of course, as I said, Jyotirvigya Parisanstha is one of the oldest amateur astronomical society who has been playing a significant role in making the astronomy interested in the common people. They have been organizing a start party. There is a Dr. Pathak also with us. So huge team of Jyotirvigya is with us. So they are going to make this particular 2 days memorable for all of us. I could see that these events are, as I said, the events wherein we come together to know more about, but such events have also played a very significant role in the past. And tomorrow also we are going to witness, provided the weather supports us. As per the weather prediction it goes, there is likely to have a cloudy weather, but let's hope that it will get clear and we will be able to see. The reason to tell you that why we have chosen the Johnson Institute, no doubt the love, affection which has been extended by Sureshji in the last, and as I said, almost not even a 1 year, 11 months before we had a Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan State Camp in the same place. And he has always been saying that yes, our place is open for you, and without any single thought, Sureshji has extended all support that you could see without charging any single paisa. And you hardly find such people, you hardly find such institutions, where what is more important for such institution is making use of this facility for the purpose of the society. And I really admire Sureshji for extending the great support to all of us, for providing this wonderful venue. And as I said, in addition to that, what is more important, this particular place is lying on the central line of annularity. इसका मतलब क्या है, जहां से पूरा हमें एनुलर सोलर इक्लिप्स दिखने वाला, उसके बिल्कुल सेंट्रल लाइन पे आ गया है. तो हमें यहां से जो एनुलर सोलर इक्लिप्स कहा जाता है वो हमें यहां से देखने को मिलने वाला है. सो जस्ट वी नीड टू गो आउट एंड सी. तो आज हम पूरा दिन ज्योतिर्विज्ञान परिसंस्था के लोगों के साथ बहुत कुछ नॉलेज गेन करने की कोशिश करेंगे, बहुत कुछ सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे. और जब भी हम वापस अपने अपने क्लबों में जाएंगे, अपने अपनी जगह पे वापस जाएंगे, वहां जाने के बाद जो कुछ हम सीख रहे हैं वो विद्यार्थियों तक पहुंचने के लिए हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए. मैंने देखा है आप में से यहाँ आया हुआ हर एक व्यक्ति आपके काम की वजह से आया हुआ है. हमको किसी को बुलाना था करके बुलाया ऐसा नहीं है. And that's where I also feel very proud of all of you, because you have proved a kind of an identity people. There is no need of recommendations by anyone. Your work has brought you here. And I am very pretty sure this affection, the interest, the passion, you will continue to pass on to the next generation or the young generation which coming up, which will help the nation to build in a proper way. Knowledge भी, information, everything. तो मुझे लगता है कि 2 दिन में हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने का मौका मिलेगा. जैसे इनॉग्रल खत्म होगा, आई एम सपोज टू टेक वन क्लास जो सन के ऊपर बात करना चाहूंगा, बट प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी बिकॉज एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कोयम्बतूर शहर में रखा गया है जिसमें विज्ञान प्रसार, एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल सोसाइटी ऑफ इंडिया, अलग अलग प्लानिटेरियम सोसाइटी, सब लोग मिलके यहाँ एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करने जा रहे हैं. और कल एक बहुत ही अच्छा दिन होगा. अगर क्लास क्लियर होगा तो हमें दूरदर्शन से लाइव टेलीकास्ट भी होने का चांसेस है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर गोइंग टू बी ऑन द टेलीविजन टुमारो, provided the sky is clear. We had a series of discussion with the Doordarshan people, or they are going to put on the team of crew with the cameraman, OB van, everything. If sky is clear, they will also be telecasting the live annular solar eclipse on Doordarshan. But that all depends on how the weather is going ahead. And I really welcome all of you on behalf of Johnson Institute, on behalf of Vigyan Prasar, on behalf of Jyotirvigya Parisanstha. तो काम मिलके करेंगे, खुश होके करेंगे, टेंशन लेके नहीं करेंगे. बट हमें रूल ऑफ द गेम पता है, आप मुझे सब अच्छे तरीके से जानते हैं. जिस काम के लिए आए हैं वो काम करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. तो मैं चाहता हूं 2 दिन पूरा जितना मन और जितना मैं भी जानता हूं ज्योतिर्विद्या के लोगों को, हमारे लोगों को, आपको पूरा समय दिया जाएगा घूमने के लिए, बाहर जाने के लिए. बट जब हम एकेडमिक प्रोग्राम करते हैं तो हमें बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. और एक बात तो वैसे अच्छी है, हम शहर से लगभग 25 किलोमीटर दूर है, अब यहां से कोई जाएगा नहीं, लेकिन जाने की अगर कोशिश करेगा तो हम प्रेजेंट ही लेंगे. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर द वे द होल प्रोग्राम हैज बीन डिजाइन्ड इज full of knowledge. It's full of knowledge. And let me tell you, the chief guest of today's function, I just share a small kind of an experience with Dr. Kannappan. हमारे कन्नाबिरन जो स्टेट कोऑर्डिनेटर है विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन के, हमारा एक कभी हाल ही में राजकोट में प्रोग्राम होने वाला था. तो कन्नाबिरन जी को हमको बुलाना था, वेरी एक्टिव क्लब मेंबर्स हैं, उनको जहां जाने के लिए कहना था. तो कन्नाबिरन जी का फोन आया कि सर मैं आना तो चाहता हूं, आ भी जाऊंगा, बट मेरे सर से एक बार अगर आप बात करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. सो यू सी द पर्सन हु इज सिटिंग हियर, डू यू नो I just WhatsApp him that I am such and such person, and Kannabiran is a very active club member of Tamil Nadu, and he is your teacher. As much proud of, Kannabiran, you have equally proud of, we are also proud of Kannabiran. Can you allow him? Without any single thought, within a minute he called me back. And he said, Arvindji, tell me. I explained him, and he said, this is one of the good part that you are doing. And he has, without knowing each other, I am first time meeting him. And he has extended all support. And he said, wherever you require, we are here. So that's what Kannappan sir. So thank you so much, sir, for giving the first free hand to Kannabiran. And I also request now, because Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan is one of the, I would say the loving, passionating program that we are looking forward to make Indian science reach to the youngster. And so for your information, this Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan is also being conducted in the Tamil language. So I will request you that if you could extend the support for the Tamil schools. We have a wonderful team in our academic part. We have a wonderful team from Arivial Sangam, and they are really passionately working for it, and we are able to conduct the examination in Tamil also. So if you can help us in taking this science to the people, that will be a great support to all of us. तो बहुत कुछ बोलना भी नहीं चाहिए, नहीं तो वो आप बोलेंगे ये बोलता ही रहता है. मैं रुक जाता हूँ, और आप सब लोग आए, अच्छा लगा, मजा आया, और 2 दिन हम और मजे करेंगे. ठीक है? बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouragement and motivation. Now I invite our chief guest, Shri Kannappan, Director of School Education, Government of Tamil Nadu. Sir, please come to the dais and enlighten us with your kind words. Thank you, sir. Please welcome.
Good morning to one and all. First of all, I appreciate Dr. Aravind Ranade and all the team from the Vigyan Prasad Negulli. And also I personally appreciate my teacher Kannabiran, because without his approach to me, I can't speak now. Because I already, Ranade is telling something. The last month, I think the science exhibition was conducted at Calcutta. Within a fraction of a second, Kannabiran has a problem to sending the children from different district. The district education officer are agitated to give the permission to attend the program. So just Kannabiran and Aravind spoke to me. Immediately I sent this instruction to all the district officials. So immediately more than 1,000 children are attending the Calcutta science exhibitions. And also the children are participating and exhibit very well. Because most of the children from the rural background, because they are studying in the Panchayat Union Middle School, it is only upper primary classes. But teachers are very interesting to inculcate the scientific temper and scientific attitude. So I want to appreciate that interest, because basically I am a science student. Science graduate. So normally generally we have to speak, the systematic study of knowledge is called science. The science only give the inference how to observe, how to thinking, whatever the education philosophy, everything. And today also, Ranade has mentioned, today is a Christmas. Jesus also told that in Tamil, Tattungal Thirakkapadum Thedungal Kedikkum. So here, science is also the third angle. It is nothing but a search. Each and every person to search and research, it will be a scientist. He will become or she will become a scientist. So the first man has find out the chakram, that is a wheel. The wheel has the major role nowadays. In any machine or anything, the moving object or a dynamic object, the inner part is a small wheel is there. So that is the first invention of the man to find out this. So in this way, the annual solar eclipse on behalf of Government of Tamil Nadu we already planned with the higher education department, our Birla Planetarium and Science Technology at the Kottapuram Center. We have planned to show the eclipse. More than 2 lakh children we are planning, and we provide the class spectators separately. So these are the things as happened on behalf of the government and also the higher education department. So here only I want to see the Ranade and other people, because science only to give the good knowledge to the people, and they have to search. Basically in Coimbatore, our Maisami Anadare is also studying in our primary middle school, the Panjayat Union Middle School. He will become a Isura scientist. Now at present is Sivan. He was studying in one of the middle school at the Kanyakumari district. And also Valarmadi, another great scientist, she was awarded by the Dr. Jayalalitha, was the Abdul Kalam Award. So most of the present scientists are coming from our government school. That's why our government has to inculcate and motivate the teachers to become a science graduate, because they have to part of the improvement or development of the country. That is the vision of the Dr. Abdul Kalam. So on behalf of the government and on behalf of the school education department, I welcome all the dignitaries and faculty members from the different states. And I appreciate this program and also appreciate the Dr. Satish Suresh from the Johnson College, because he is the real coordinator of this, giving the good auditorium and all the facility here. So in most of the institutions nowadays, they are very helping to cope up with our government department also to conduct so many programs. Otherwise, in school life, it is a very small places. Only the colleges, we have the good auditorium and other things, and most of the colleges. And also current year, we have to plan the Southern India Science Fair at Coimbatore. We are hosting. So Coimbatore CU has planned to conduct so many things. If anybody has time permits, we have to attend. It will be program as planned January 28th to February 2nd. This is a program, February 1st. So 5 days program. So all these state people from the Kerala, Andhra, Telangana, and Karnataka, and Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu. So those who are selecting by the first level people, they are attending this program, and we have planned so many new innovative ideas and to promote their scientific temper and attitude. So these are the basic things as done by the department, and also our Honorable Education Minister, due to this, we provide all the high school and higher secondary school as a high-tech lab. So this high-tech lab is very useful for the +1 and +2 students to easily get the knowledge from the different source of the nowadays. So these are the things has to be going on in the basic school education, and our higher education department is the enrollment is 48%. This is the national level highest enrollment for the higher educations. So the MHRD has appreciated the higher education system also in Tamil Nadu. So these are the so many motivations, because each and every seminar and every aspect has to be inculcated that the young minds, they will become each and every one should be become just like Dr. Abdul Kalam. It is not a so easy things, so it has to be hard work. So all the scientists in the background, it's a very hard work only, they become proved to new things. So in this juncture, I appreciate once again all the Vigyan Prasad and other people, and also all the participants of the other state and Tamil Nadu. So I appreciate, I thank for everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your nice blessings. And now I would like to invite Ms. Mayuri Dutt, National Co-Convener, BVM, our special guest, to address the gathering. Thank you.
नमस्कार आप सभी को। मेरा यहाँ आना और खड़ा होना मेरे लिए खुद के लिए एक सरप्राइज है and this is a surprise gift I think so given by Vigyan Prasar on the eve, in fact on the day of Christmas. विद्यार्थी विज्ञान मंथन एक एग्जामिनेशन है जो एक ऑनलाइन साइंस टैलेंट सर्च एग्जामिनेशन है जिसमें मैं अचानक से ही आई और अचानक से ही आज सुनने को मिला कि मैं ही उसे चला रही हूँ। सर दिस इज वेरी अनफेयर। ये एक टीम वर्क है, सारे प्रांतों की टीम बहुत मेहनत करती है तभी हम इस मुकाम पे पहुंच पाते हैं। एंड विद दिस आई वुड फर्स्ट like to thank all my state coordinators who are present here and are actually attending today's program, tomorrow's program, and thereafter actually we plan to have our trainers camp because in this examination we have three processes. One is an online examination for all the children, the second is state level camp, and third is a national camp. So for the state level camp, we have a particular training for all these state coordinators and academic heads, for which we all have come here assembled. It is our sheer luck that these two dates have coincided, and we got this invitation from Dr. Rana Day in Dehradun when we were there assembled together for the sensitization meeting. I don't want to say much because I am also not aware what's going to happen today or tomorrow. So let me also enjoy it and then take the opportunity given next time to say something. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Shri Deepak Joshi, Vice President, Jyoti Vidya Parisansthan, knowledge partner for the event, to say a few words. Sir, please come on the dais.
Good morning, everybody. So finally, we are just 24 hours away from a day of total solar eclipse, annual solar eclipse. We are waiting for this day for long, and coming 24 hours, me and my team, Jyotirvidya team, are not going to give you free time. We have a lot of activities to do. Basically, I remember 1980 when there was a total solar eclipse in February, month of February. There was a cricket match, and in those days, cricket match, test match, 5-day match, have a break day. After 3 days, they give holiday, off day, rest day, and they have remaining days after that. That 11 February was the second day of the match, and on that particular day, the rest day was declared due to the total solar eclipse that time. From there, in 40 years, we landed good ahead. There are thousands of people rushing to the belt area, watching annuality. This is the great achievement. But still this achievement is less. Our mindset we changed from myths and misconceptions towards the liberty of science. But still we are not doing scientific practices. During eclipse, one can view the eclipse and do certain experiments. And using those experimental data information, one can draw some conclusions. Rest of the day we are going to talk about this only, so I not take much time. But you will definitely enjoy it, and we are lucky enough that we have one more eclipse coming just after 6 months.
After that, our luck faded away. Then we have to wait for 13, 14 long years for such kind of event. So let's enjoy it. I thanks to Surishji for wonderful arrangements, and I know you all will enjoy arrangements, celestial event, and input from my Jyotirvidya team. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite Shri K.S. Mani, President Udo Malai Environment Society, National and State Awardee Teacher and Retired Headmaster, to enlighten us with your kind words, sir.
இந்த 2 நாள் பயிற்சி முகாமிற்காக இங்கு வருகை தந்துள்ள உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் முதன்மை விருந்தினர் பள்ளி கல்வி இயக்குனர் ஐயா அவர்களுக்கும் இந்த விஞ்ஞான பிரச்சாரனுடைய டைரக்டர் அரவிந்த்ஜி அவர்களுக்கும் ஜோசிஜி அவர்களுக்கும் சுரேஷ் சார் மற்றும் கோபால்ஜி மற்றும் அனைத்து வெப்நெட் கிளப்பில் இருந்து வந்திருக்கக்கூடிய அனைத்து பொறுப்பாளர்கள் மாணவர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் முதற்கண் வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு, இங்கே ராணடிஜி சொன்னாங்க கண்ணபுரானை பற்றி. ஏன்னா அவர் பற்றி தான் நான் சொல்லி ஆகணும். கண்ணபுரான் என்னுடைய நண்பர், நல்ல குட் லீடர்ஷிப் உள்ளவர் ஜி சொன்னாங்க. அவருக்கு ஒரு நல்ல டீம், அருமையான டீம் வந்து அமைஞ்சிருக்கு. டீம் ஒர்க், அந்த டீம்ல நல்ல லீடு பண்ணி கொண்டு போறதுனால ரொம்ப பிரமாதமா வந்து இந்த கிளப் மற்றும் இந்த நிகழ்ச்சிகளை பிரமாதமாக செய்ய முடியுது. ரெண்டாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பிவிஎம் எக்ஸாம் நடந்திருக்குது. நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டில் வந்து லாங்குவேஜில் ஒன்லி ஹிந்தி அண்டு இங்கிலீஷ் மட்டும் இருந்தது. பட்டு தமிழ் வேணும், தமிழில் தான் எங்கள் குழந்தைங்க நிறைய அட்டன் பண்ணுவாங்கிறதுக்காக தமிழில் அதை லாங்குவேஜ் டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணி லாஸ்ட் இயர் கொடுத்தப்ப கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 10,000 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து இந்த எக்ஸாம் எழுதுனாங்க. அந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு அதை ரிஸ்க் எடுத்து அந்த லாங்குவேஜ் மாற்றி லாஸ்ட் இயர் அந்த எக்ஸாம் வந்து சிறப்பாக செஞ்சதுனால நிறைய கிராமத்து குழந்தைகள் வந்து டெல்லி மற்ற இடங்களுக்கெல்லாம் போகிறதுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய வாய்ப்பு கிடைத்தது. அது உண்மையிலேயே கண்ணபுரானால தான் அந்த வாய்ப்பு கிடைத்தது. அதற்காக அவருக்கு நன்றி சொல்லிக்கிறேன். ரெண்டாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம டைரக்டர் சாருக்கு ஒரு சின்ன வேண்டுகோள். சார் ஒரு சின்ன வேண்டுகோள், இந்த வெப்நெட் கிளப் மிடில் ஸ்கூல்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாமே கம்பல்சரியா ஓப்பன் பண்ணி சொன்னா, ஏன்னா சயின்ஸ் டீச்சர் இருக்கிறாங்க, கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரீயாகவும் இருக்கிறதுனால ஓரளவு தமிழ்நாட்டில் எல்லாமே கொஞ்சம் ரீச் ஆகும். அதை ஒரு வேண்டுகோளாக ஐயாவுக்கு வைத்து தேங்க்ஸ் டு ஆல்.